In this video, we're going to be looking at solving equations with the variable on both sides of the equal sign. So let's look at this problem. 4m minus 5 equals 2m plus 3. We are going to combine like terms. Well, in order to combine like terms, we have to move the 2m from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. And the same, we have to move the negative 5 to the right-hand side. How do we move a term? We perform the opposite operation. 2m on the right side is positive. So if we subtract 2m from both sides, notice that gets rid of it on the right-hand side. Just 3 on the right-hand side. 4m minus 2m leaves us with 2m, and we haven't done anything yet with the minus 5. Now we're down to a simple two-step equation. We're going to add 5 to both sides. We end up with 2m equals 8. Divide both sides by 2, and m will equal 4. Let's check it out. Let's take our original equation and substitute 4 for the m. 4 times 4 minus 5 equals 2 times 4 plus 3. Okay, following our steps of order of operation, we have to do multiplication first. So 4 times 4 is 16, minus 5 is 11. Let's try the right-hand side. 2 times 4 is, that's right, 8, plus 3 is 11. Check. We did our problem correctly. Let's try another one. Let's try 7w plus 4 plus 2w plus 6 equals 4w plus 15. Okay, we have more to do in this one than we did in the last one. The first thing we want to do is combine our like terms on the left-hand side. I see 7w and 2w gives me 9w. A positive 4 and a positive 6 gives me plus 10 equals 4w plus 15. Okay, so now let's subtract 4w from both sides, and I'm left with just 15 on my right side, and 5w plus 10. We're down to a two-step equation. Let's subtract 10 from both sides. I get 5w equals 5. Divide both sides by 5, and w equals, that's right, 1. And I'm going to let you go ahead and check that out, and we will find that w equals 1 in this problem. Let's go and try one with distribution. Let's take 7w plus 3 plus 2 times w plus 6 equals 4 times w, w plus 15. Okay, the first thing we want to do is distribute, so we can get rid of our parentheses. So at this point we're not doing anything with the 7w plus 3, but we do have 2w. Distribute the 2 to the w, and 2 times 6 is 12, equals 4w plus 60. 4 times w, and then 4 times 15. Okay, first thing to do, let's combine like terms where we can. So we're going to combine like terms. So I have 9w plus 15 equals 4w plus 60. Okay, so now let's subtract 4w from the right in order to get it off of that side. We're left with just 60. But because I did it on the right, I have to do it on the left. So I have 5w plus 15. We're down to a two-step equation. Subtract 15 from both sides. I end up with 5w equals 45. Divide both sides by 5, and w equals 9. Let's just check this out. Now, I am not going to go back to my 5w plus 15 equals 60, nor am I going to go to the 9w plus 15 equals 4w plus 60 right here. I'm going to go all the way back to my very original equation. That's what I need to do to check. So I'm going to, let's just check. We're going to do 7 times 9 plus 3 times 2 times 9 plus 6. That's my left-hand side. Let's deal with that first. Okay, parentheses. I get 9 plus 6 is, that's right, 15. 15 times 2, this gives me 30. I have 7 times 9 is 63, plus 3 times 30. 3 times 30 is 90. 63 plus 90 gives me what? Okay, I'm going to rewrite the original equation. Remember, I'm not going to pick one of the ones I've gotten to in the middle. I'm going to go all the way back. 7w plus 3 plus 2 times w plus 6 equals 4 times w plus 15. Now remember, the reason we don't go to the one of the ones we got in the middle as we worked our way down is if we had made a mistake, at that point we might check out okay to that wrong equation. But that's why we go all the way back to the original. So we're going to substitute 9. We got w equals 9. We're going to substitute 9 every place we have a w. So 7 times 9 plus 3 plus 2 times 9 plus 6 equals 4 times w. Whoops, not w. We want it to be 9 plus 15. Okay, let's first take care of what we have in parentheses. 15 and 24. So we have 4 times 24, 2 times 15, bring down what we haven't dealt with yet. Now this is where we're checking. We have to do multiplication first. So 7 times 9 is 63, 2 times 15 is 30, and we've got to add 3 to both of those. 4 times 24 is 96. And you can check that yourself. 63 plus 3, you know that, 66. 66 plus 30 is 96, and 96 does equal 96. So check, we've just done another example of solving an equation with variables on both sides of the equal sign. If you're still not certain of this, replay this video, stop it once I've written down the equation. You try to solve it at that point before listening to the video again. Then check your work with the video. That'll give you a better idea if you've really understood this. Good luck.